say women aren't strong, they are weak. They say women aren't powerful, they are powerless. They say women can't be a manager, they are just compatible to be an employee. They say women are just like this and not like that.
Today, we're here to talk about something that affects each and every one of us, gender equality. This is not just about women's rights or men's rights.
Correct. This means that both men and women should have equal opportunities regardless of whether they are male or female. This is one of the key reasons why most women cannot access education, employment, or even be in leadership positions around the globe through stereotypes.
Absolutely. And let's not forget that men can also face judgment and unfair expectations. For instance, society often expects men to be strong, unemotional, and always the provider. But men should be free to express themselves and follow their passions without fear of being judged.
And it's not just about men and women. Gender equality includes everyone, people of the gender including non-binary and transgender individuals. Everyone deserves the same respect, opportunities, and rights, no matter how their identity.
That's why we are here, to act and to make the world aware. In this campaign, Equal Voices, Equal Choices, we will show that everybody is unique and their value is in them.
If you are just talking, there's nothing that happens. When you respect someone, strengthen and help someone reach their goals, everyone wins.
Go. Exactly. Equality doesn't infringe on everyone's rights. It makes sure everyone has the opportunity to live a life with dignity, respect, and opportunity.
Let's make it happen! Number 1. Anti-discrimination law. A gender-equal society enforces strict anti-discrimination law that protect individuals from unfair treatment based on their gender identity or expression. These laws are crucial for ensuring that everyone has equal opportunities and protect under the law regardless of their gender.
Second, freedom of expression. A gender-equal society respects and values the freedom of expression of all individuals, regardless of their gender identity. It supports open dialogue and inclusive use. This means that everyone should have a right to express their opinion, beliefs, and identities without fear, discrimination, or harassment. Number 3. Gender equity in the home. Gender equity at home means sharing household chores and parenting responsibilities equally between partners that ensures that neither partner is burdened with disproportionate amounts of unpaid work, which can limit their opportunities and well-being.
Gender equality means that the access to rights or opportunities are affected by the gender. Gender inequality is discrimination based on sex or gender, meaning one sex or gender is above the other.
Gender equality does not mean that women should be favored over men. Similarly, it does not mean that men should be favored over women.